Welcome to course on HTML. This course is for those who don't have system. So if you don't have a system, you don't need to worry that much. You can use your smartphone and build basic pages. So basically, we are going to be treating HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but the JavaScript for advanced learners. So this course is going to be fun. It's going to be interactive. So just all you need, your requirements, you just be able to practice. Practice makes perfect. So be able to practice, then you have your data and your smartphone. That's all you need. So I'm going to be using a handwriter text editor. Sorry, the handwriter text editor right here. So that was I'm going to that aside. Uh, Anyways, that's all for now. Watch out our next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm sure you all have downloaded the handwriter application, because we're going to be using the handwriter application to work or to build our pages. So we have courses on the theory part. So for that, just click on the link below to visit our Facebook page or join our WhatsApp group. Then you're able to read the theory in details. The theory part is very, very important. So you gotta read the theory part. That aside, this course is purely practical. I'm gonna be practicalizing everything we're doing. So welcome once again. I'm gonna give you a brief explanation. HTML is a web language. It's the skeleton of many pages. It is for building the content, the texts, the videos, the links you see on the pages are work of HTML. CSS for styling your websites, and the colors, images, background images, border, margin, stuff like that. Then JavaScript is the advanced part, because JavaScript is used for adding functions and features, making your website or web page more interactive. You all should not worry. We're going to do all stuff right here. So you guys should read the theory part before you watch this course, before you watch this video, because you might not understand this video if you're not read the theory part. So you can join our WhatsApp group. There you receive the HTML, CSS, JavaScript PDF. So let's just start away. So I'll save that file, that the lessons.html. In case you don't know how to do it, just click here, click save as. Then we have saved it already. So I'm pretty going to click here. And after the automated text editor. So once you click here your less than angle button, then type your HT, then you click on HTML5 templates, and do the basic code for any site. So I'm going to add a paragraph.